So, alternative fuel number 2. We've been given a 20 litre, well actually we've been given 4 of these, but 20 litre jug of cooking oil. And again, we'll blend it with petrol to thin it out. And then this is my temporary rig I've set up. So let's start from the beginning. We've got a strainer to, well, get the chips out of that. Goes through a coffee filter. I think this is 100 microns. Through a funnel, if I don't spill it everywhere, into a 20 litre AdBlue drum. In the bottom, I've put an 8mm barb. That was not easy to get in. I actually fed a piece of wire down through the middle to run that through. So we're going to fill this up with semi-filtered cooking oil. Goes through a 10 micron filter. We're going to try and gravity bleed this. If this doesn't work, I have got a small low pressure electric pump. That will pump into the same barrel we used for the engine oil mix, and hopefully we'll end up with some nice filtered cooking oil. Again, we'll then blend the petrol with that. The 10% mix seemed to work quite well with the engine oil. This is a bit thinner, so I don't want to go any more than that, so I think we'll go with 10% mix of petrol again. So yeah, I think I'm going to start pouring and see how much of it I get in there and not on the floor. Okay, this is taking a while. I've actually set up 2 5-litre jugs because it was a lot easier than filtering it straight into the bottle. As you can see, there's a lot of bits in the cooking oil. And these are going down quite slowly because all the bits are collected in the bottom of the coffee filter. You can see though, there is clean oil coming out the bottom of that. Might change these filters just purely for speed. I think I'll only probably do the 10 litres because this is taking a while. I've been at this about 20 minutes and we're up to about 1.5 litres in that one. Yeah, closer to 2 litres in that one. This one's getting a bit lower now. I can show you just how much stuff you can see in there. All of that gunk that's collected. I mean, I suppose it works as a secondary media, so it probably actually aids the filtering process, just takes a lot longer. Right, we are hopefully past halfway through getting rid of this thing. It's taken a while. This jug is up to 4 litres, so I'm going to leave that there purely because it doesn't have a mark for 5 litres. This one, I've worked out that that top of the line there should be about 5 litres, so we're going to keep going with that one. And if I remove this filter for the experiment, I put 3 filters together, you can see that inside there is still bits that get through the initial filter, which is why we're going through this setup here. So I'm almost at the point, I'm at the point I can put that in there and see if this all works, and all being well we should have pure filtered cooking oil come through there. So we're above the level here. Obviously we're only gravity fed again. The fuel bowl did fill up. It took a little while, but if you look inside here, we have got filtered through 10 microns cooking oil, or like I like to call, future diesel. So obviously I've got a little way to go yet with this. Yeah, I'll keep ploughing on. It will obviously take a while to get through that, and then we will turn it into diesel. So we're going to call it about 15 litres. What I need now is 1.5 litres of petrol. There we go, just over 1.5 litres, so be about right for 16 litres of vegetable oil, and we shall pour that in there. Doesn't matter if the quantities are a bit wrong. The more petrol, the thinner it gets. As you can see, that is quite high. Yeah, that probably is 17.5 litres. I will measure it when I put it in the car. I'll put it into 5 litre jerry cans like I did last time. So what's left is use my homemade paint stirrer that I still haven't repaired. I'll repair it now and put it in the car. Right, well, my calculations were about right. This has got about 2 litres in it, and I've just done, this is the 4th jerry can. So, considering I overfill the others, I'm happy saying this is easily 17.5 litres of vegetable oil, cooking oil, sorry, and petrol mix. So, yeah, let's see how well this lot lasts. It's going to be hard to get an accurate idea of fuel consumption on this, so I'll do my best. I'll get a rough one, pretty much as I did with the engine oil, clean engine oil and petrol mix, which was about 41 miles per gallon. So even if you said 40, it's pretty good going. If you haven't done already, please do subscribe. It does help the channel. That way you get to see all of my videos, including the next one, which will be filtering used engine oil and blending that with petrol to see how well she runs on that. Thanks for watching.